Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw Mario in a Friday Night Funkin' style. It's going to be simple, easy for beginners. I'm going to be using this Crayola brand marker, and you can use anything you want. You can use a pencil, pen, but I do hope you use a marker. And also, you can use this paper. This is regular printing paper. And that is pretty much it. That's all I'm going to be using, so hopefully you enjoy this. It'll be simple and for beginners. Hopefully you're a fan of both games. So, right off the bat, I'm going to draw the nose here of Mario, curve down here, in. So the nose is going to be kind of more angular, it's going to be different. Friday Night Funkin' uses a lot of angles. Line up here for the mustache. Down, down, down here for the shape of the bottom of the mustache. Gonna draw a circle here for one eye, circle here for the other eye, line down, line up for kind of that angry look that those characters have in Friday Night Funkin'. Gonna draw the hat across it because I swear they do that. Everything's like all across. Line here for the brim of the hat. Line down here for the side of the hair. Line down for the side of the face. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull that long face. He's always got, in Friday Night Funkin', they always have those really long faces. And it's going to be pulling here for the side of the head. Go over here for the ear. Kind of an angular ear. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I do a lot of these how to draw videos of different things, whether it be Mario, Friday Night Funkin', other Nintendo properties, different Pixar properties, Pokemon, Among Us. I draw everything on here, and I do mixtures of stuff on here as well. So like I said, if you like the video, click the like, but also really subscribe, because that's really going to help the algorithm out. And what the subscribe is going to do is it's going to show you a thumbnail of what I draw, because I do, I post almost every day. It's going to show you a thumbnail, and on your feed, you're going to be like, okay, cool, I'll draw that today. Or you'll be like, nah, I don't want to draw it today. It's going to at least give you that choice on like, oh, it'd be something that might be really cool that you want to draw that day. So that's a good idea. Line over here for the top of the hat. Cross over here, and then down for the top of that hat. I'm going to draw the M back there. And then a circle around the M. Line over here. I'm going to draw the rest of that inner ear over here. So now we got Mario here, and now what we're going to do is we're going to draw Mario's body. Down. Curved line over here for his stomach. Line over here back. Line over here back for his hand. And his hand's going to be huge. He's got that glove at least. And then we got the knuckle line over here. His hand's going to be really large. Sorry, I'm going pretty quick. I'm going pretty quick because I want to fit the video into an 8-minute video. I usually do that because, just out of courtesy, I don't want it to be like a really long video. Line over here for the shoe. Down. Down here. Line over here. That shoe's pretty huge. Line across. And one more line here on the bottom. Line up for the leg. And now I draw the other shoe. The other shoe is going to be really huge on this side. Shoe over here for the top of it. Curve line. Out. down, and we're gonna have that big old shoe here, and then we're gonna have the bottom, kind of that bottom of the sole there. Goes right in there. And now we're gonna draw lines down here for the suspenders. A line down here for the suspender here on this side. Alright. And then we're gonna draw the other hand. Let me see. So over here, draw like the finger, the you know, basically the thumb. And then right here I'm gonna draw the fist on this side. They got a very old school style of drawing, I noticed, on Friday Night Funkin. Reminds me of the style of like the 90s and stuff. And I want to put some on his hand. I guess I could put that microphone. I want to put like a mushroom or something better, to be honest. Yeah, there you go. Line over here. Cool. And then we're going to have the circles of the pattern of the mushroom. So we got that mushroom there. So then I'm going to fill in the actual mustache here. I'm going to fill it in black because it's kind of always featured like that. And then I'm going to fill in the eyes here, except for the top. I'm going to put a circle here for the suspenders. I forgot to do that. Alright. And I think I'm going to throw a thick contour line around. I always throw the thick contour line. This one's going to touch, though. I got to be careful of that. I want to throw the contour line, meaning I want to throw a thick line around the outer edge of the drawing, because I think that makes it look nicer. And that's just me. That's a style thing. You don't have to do this. That's personally me. I'm a huge Mario fan. I have Mario stuff all over the place, like the products and stuff like that, and the figures. If anyone ever looks at my desk, it'll be like, oh wow, there's like dinosaurs all over the place, dinosaur figures, and there's Mario figures. So, I'm big on the Mario franchise. There's just something about it that brings back nostalgia, but it's also still around, so it's kind of wild, you know? Anyways, that is it. Well, I could draw his other shoulder over here. Yeah, his far side shoulder. That's it. Let me know if you liked it, if you like this kind of stuff. Hit the like. That's so huge. Hit the like, share the video. Sharing is caring. When you share it, it brings back a lot of cool vibes, and it brings back new people. But thank you so much. My name's Enrique. Say hi to me in the comment section. I'm hiccuping over here. Say hi to me in the comment section. I will talk to you next time, and I will talk to you very soon, alright? See you later, easies. Easies, right?